how to hide one person in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide one person from different type of thing on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it really depends upon what you're really talking about, because you're saying how to hide one person in Instagram. So are you talking about when somebody views your profile, you don't want to let them see that you have followed a specific person, so you want to hide that person from your follower or following list? Or maybe you're talking about whether you want to hide your story from one person, or maybe you're talking about you want to hide someone from your DMs page on Instagram with that one person. What are you exactly talking about? Now first of all, to get with the first scenario, that is if you're talking about how to hide your following list from one person, right? You cannot do that, because the only thing you can do is actually make your account private, and when you make your account private, all of your followers will be able to see your following and followers list. That's the way it works. It's not like TikTok where you can protect everything. On Instagram, as long as they follow you, even if you have a private account, they will be able to view your followers and following list. So to do that, just tap on the profile icon, tap on the three lines, go to settings, go to privacy over here, make sure to turn on private account, and when people view your profile, they'll be able to see your people and everything that you follow. But let's say that there is a person that you don't want to let others know that you followed them, but you still want to talk to them. Well, in that case, you can actually still talk to them by unfollowing them. So you don't necessarily need to have followed them, because if I just go here and show you over here, this is one person I'm talking with. If I tap on their profile right over here, you'll be able to see that I have not followed that person, and that person has not also followed me back. This is one thing that you can do. The other is if you're talking about you want to hide someone from your story. So in that case, what you can do is just tap on the profile icon, then again you want to just tap on the three lines, go to settings, then go to privacy, then go to story over here. You can see hide story from one person. You can just go ahead and choose to hide the story from that one specific person over here. Now the other is if you're talking about hiding someone from your DMs page, right? Well, in order to do that, just go ahead and then long press on it. You'll be able to see all this. Or else what you can do is you can simply restrict them, because when you restrict them and then you go to the request tab over here, you'll be able to see all of those hidden requests over here, and then you can simply talk to them from inside of it. And hopefully this video answered your question. As I said earlier, it really depends upon what you're really trying to hide in the first place. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.